Hi everyone and welcome back to one more video of All Lite Food, and today I am going to share 4 refreshing lemonade based summer drinks. So let's quickly get started with the recipes. I will start with the classic lemonade, and to make the drink, first I will make the sugar syrup. For that, take equal amount of sugar and water in a saucepan and just boil it for 5 minutes. Unlike the raw sugar that we use in our homemade lemonades, the syrup will give it a more professional touch, just like we drink in any cafe or dine-ins. So I'll begin the recipe by filling a glass with ice cubes, and I will fill it till half. If you want to reduce the amount of ice, then just go for it. And on it, I will throw some lemon slices cut into circles. The amount of lemon here is more, so no need to squeeze extra lemon juice in it. So the syrup is ready now, just keep it aside to cool down. On the top, I will pour 1 to 2 tablespoons of sugar syrup. This is a great drink for kids, they will just love it. This is looking perfect. And finally, I will fill the glass with required amount of water. The best thing about this drink is that you can just keep filling the water to enjoy a fresh drink every time for long hours. This is looking perfect. Next is the Savory cucumber lemonade, and is one of my favorite. And to make the recipe, in a glass I will take half a teaspoon of stevia extract or the sugar substitute. You can also add sugar if you want, and then 1 teaspoon of salt. Next I will add required amount of water and mix the salt and sugar nicely. Into this I will add ice cubes, as many as required. And on the top, I will squeeze half a lemon. Wow, this is looking perfect. This is just a perfect, cool, refreshing, fun drink with all the goodness of electrolyte. Finally, I will dip some sliced cucumber straight into it. All you need is a toothpick to enjoy the cucumbers. Trust me, you are going to love this one. Coming to the next drink, I am going to make the Melonade. Even though this is a very common drink, but I am going to make it differently, and instead of using the melon juice, I will use the whole fruit for this drink. So to make the recipe, first I am going to prepare the serving glass by applying a little bit of lemon on the glass and dipping it in the salt, just for that nice look and salty taste. Once done, I will add half a teaspoon of natural sugar substitute, and will squeeze half a lemon straight into the glass. Next, I will add the ice cubes as much as you require. And on the top, I will place 5 to 6 slices of watermelon and 3 to 4 slices of cantaloupes or any of your favorite muskmelon. Finish it with a slice of lemon and required amount of water. Melons is sweet, so the extra lemon will balance the taste. This is a great refreshing drink to serve to your friends and family. It looks good and tastes amazing. Just perfect. And finally, I will make the apple lemonade. This is a nice drink when you have all those sour apples staining in your fridge. All you can do with them is make a refreshing drink in this summer. And to make the drink, first decorate your glass with a piece of lemon and dipping it into salt. Once done, keep it aside. So now to the glass, first I am going to add half a sliced apple straight into this. On the top, I will add required amount of ice cubes. Just add to fill half of the glass and squeeze half a lemon on the top of it. Add half a tablespoon of sugar substitute or 1.5 tablespoon of sugar or 1 tablespoon of sugar syrup. Just make it sweet to balance all those sourness from the apples and lemon. Add water to fill the glass and give it a nice mix. And enjoy this refreshing drink with your friends in this hot sunny weather. So that's all for today's video. I'm sure you enjoyed the recipe. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon for notifications. Comment and share the video with your loved ones. I shall see you in one more video. Till then, goodbye, take care and stay healthy. For health and food related topics, please visit my website at www.alllitefood.com. And you can also connect with me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook.